Well, my name is Sandra Christian, and my job title here at the City of Richmond is Transportation Planning Technician. And I earned the Applied Science degree with a major in drafting and design. I decided to go with drafting because, again, in high school, I had taken 2 years of drafting and had stayed with it and still loved it for what it was. And I decided when I looked at Reynolds, I said, well, I can take the drafting program. And I wanted to stay with the drafting program, and as I entered into that, I found out that I still loved it even more. I had an opportunity. I had a teacher that was my advisor also, and he made an announcement one day at the school during a class that anybody who was interested in working part-time while we were in school to see him after class. So I decided, by the end of the class, I would be the person to go talk to him. And sure enough, he gave me the information. I went by and did the interview with those individuals, and they evidently liked what they heard or saw of me. And it was an eye-opener because I really actually had a chance to apply what I had learned in J. Sergeant Reynolds. Reynolds was the best decision for me because I was unsure where I wanted to go. I had considered going to Virginia Tech, but I didn't really want to put the burden on my parents. After I graduated from Reynolds, I continued working for the same company, and then I went to several other firms where a couple of those firms were engineering firms, which exposed me to other aspects other than plant. I actually had a chance to do some civil drafting, some architectural drafting, some landscaping. I specialize in handicap signage, where handicapped individuals need a sign placed into their homes in order to be able to park in front of their homes. Also, I deal with capital improvement projects where we actually do signalization upgrades of intersections. It's a beautiful thing to see everything new and fresh, the signage, the signal lights. Take example, Marshall Street, from 7th to 9th, we converted that, and that's with the pavement markings, the signage, the signals, everything is great. It's wonderful. It's the most fulfilling to see when your project goes into effect.